Hi, my name is Chris Miller. I'm an emergency response case manager with Solid Blend Technologies. I'm here today at a client site where, through routine Legionella testing, we found a few spots that needed attention. Bacteria was found, Legionella Bacteria, and using the water management plan, our protocols stated that for the corrective action, we needed to take care of that bacteria. Typically, you have a certain percentage of positive hits or positive results that would require you to take action. To do that, what we've done is we've installed a monochlorimine generation system that will run for approximately 2 months, and we'll work hard to break up the biofilm and Legionella bacteria that's in these pipes and keep the system safe, clean, further use. We'll do testing to make sure that no more bacteria is found, and then if anything were ever pop up again in another quarterly or annual routine testing, we do the same thing again. So I'm going to shoot a little bit of video on how we install these systems next, but it's very important when using your water management plan to have the proper corrective actions for when you do your routine testing. You have a plan in place what you'll do if it happens. So we'll show you the machine next. Thanks again. Okay, here you can see one of our SantaKill Light portable monochlorimine generation systems. The system is piped directly into the customer's hot water system. You can see how we've got these quick connect pipes. This runs directly. We're only treating the hot water system on this particular system, so you basically have where we pull out the water and where we inject the disinfectant. So it's a pretty straightforward plan. We keep these installed for about 2 months. They're very small. You can cart them around, set them up for a couple months, and keep everybody safe. Very effective. But that's the system. Quick and easy and painless.